This video guide is about getting rid of the ransomware called Dzen. Dzen is a new ransomware that is able to damage the files. My video is solely for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting the ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how to possibly recover the data, even though I cannot guarantee that I will help you to recover that data. So before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this Dzen ransomware may be very easily injected into the system. So then very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages the data considerably. Very soon you'll find out why exactly the ransomware is called like that, Dzen. So it is called Dzen because it actually encrypts files and appends this Dzen extension to the file names, and as a consequence it is impossible to use the data. The ransomware then reveals this special ransom note where it indicates that the ransom needs to be paid for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration. So do not pay the ransom and do not waste your money. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus, and I recommend you to use Cleaner Antivirus for this purpose. To download Cleaner, you will need to use your Internet Explorer browser, because other browsers may be damaged by this ransomware. So through your Internet Explorer, go to the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install it, and then start researching your system. Cleaner is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware or any other types of infections from your system. After the anti-malware database is successfully updated, Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. So then at the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Some threats can be removed manually, but I would recommend you to consider upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial to fully evaluate the features of Cleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to possibly recover your data.